Our top story tonight, abortion in Iowa is once again legal up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. An Iowa district judge ruled to temporarily block the state's new ban days after Governor Kim Reynolds signed the measure into law.
Today's decision puts the new law on hold while the courts assess its constitutionality. Here are 3 things to know about the now paused legislation. It limits abortion once fetal cardiac activity is detected, usually around 6 weeks of pregnancy, before many women know they're pregnant. A person can terminate a pregnancy caused by rape or incest if the incident is reported to authorities within a certain time frame. And a doctor may also perform an abortion if they believe the fetus won't survive or there was a miscarriage.
Now, as you recall, this all started last week when the Republican-controlled legislature approved the bill in a rare all-day special session last week. The ACLU of Iowa, Planned Parenthood, North Central States, and an Iowa City clinic filed a lawsuit claiming the soon-to-be-signed law was unconstitutional. Today, Governor Kim Reynolds responded to the temporary injunction on the heartbeat law. She says, in part, quote, "I will fight this all the way to the Iowa Supreme Court, where we expect a decision that will finally provide justice for the unborn." Meanwhile, House Democratic leader Jennifer Confirst is speaking out in support of today's ruling, saying in part, quote, "Politicians and judges have no place interfering in someone else's decisions about when to start a family," end quote.
And there's a patchwork of laws when it comes to abortion access. This is an interactive map from the Guttmacher Institute. It's a group dedicated to research, policy organization, and documentation of current abortion legislation. This shows policies in place as of today. Right now, it lists Iowa's abortion laws as, quote, restrictive. For instance, neighboring Minnesota and Illinois both ranked as protective. South Dakota and Missouri are listed as most restrictive.